clearly this solution brought a number of advantages, as we can see in this dotted chart, where the number of products being sold increased by a factor of 6 from 2003, where they were selling around 300 products a year, up to 1,800 products a year in 2007. And specifically, we can observe a first increase as the automated process solution was deployed, even with 0% of individual activities being automated. And then there was a capillary adoption of this solution throughout the various branches of the bank, such as in Ireland, in Sweden, etc. And then there was a second very sharp increase around 2006, when the Danske Bank started automating the various activities, until 2007, when around 800 applications were sold per year. So in a nutshell, the lessons learned were that automation should be implemented incrementally. And so, as we saw in this case study, they did not start by automating entirely the whole business process, including the various activity, but first they started by fixing the process. And once they had streamlined the business process, meaning that they really went through the analysis and redesign phases of the BPM cycle, only then they started implementing an automation solution. First, by automating the coordination of work between the various resources, and then incrementally replacing manual activities with automated counterparts. Further, another important characteristic was that the implementation of the automation solution was accompanied by an effective change management plan, meaning that feedback was sought by the back office workers since day one, because the back office workers had to create the products. It was not sufficient that the developer would talk to the business analyst to understand the business requirements, but also that the end users, so the back office workers, were involved into the loop.